Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Kela Iman Binurdin. Today, I will show you how to make your sound at keyboard much better with using loop your switch. Okay, so after this, I will present to you how to do that. So, let's go. This is the sound of the keyboard before I loop my switch. This is my gaming keyboard, and behind the keyboard we get the stuff to do this looping. This is the all component to do this work. First we got the two brush to do the looping at the switch. Other than that, we have the two tweezer. First curve tweezer and straight tweezer, and then switch puller, plastic keycap holder, switch stem holder, switch opener. Firstly, we use keycap holder to open the keycap to get the switch inside. And then we use switch puller to pull the switch. I'm sorry about my hair interrupt this video. Okay, so this is the switch. We can hear the sound is very noisy. So with using the lubing process, the sound will much better. After that, using the switch opener, we got this two side of switch. Okay, so now I use the switch stem holder because the inside the switch is very oily. And then I use the straight tweezer to pull out the spring at switch housing. For the looping process, I use Kelowna brand because this brand is very nice for me. Then I take the switch housing to do the looping process. For this part, if you loop your switch, please do very carefully, because if you're over looping this housing pad, the sound of your keyboard can be so weird. After that, I use the curve tweezer to do the looping at the top switch. Okay, now I use the straight curve to take the main switch to do the looping process. Okay, for this part, it's quite straightforward actually. You just put the loop on the surface. Same like looping process before this, you just put the loop little bit. Finally, the looping process is done, and then I assemble the all switch, and I take the switch to put at their own place. So this is the sound of the switch after looping process. Hello guys, how about the looping process? It's very simple and nice, right? Thank you for watching my video. See you next time. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum.